Yes, good morning students. How are you all? Fine. Very good, very good. So last class we were discussing about the squares and square roots, and we have done some of the problems based on how to find out the square roots by factorization method. Today we are going to see the problems which are based on the factorization, square root by factorization only. But in that there are two aspects are there. One is what must be multiplied and what must be divided. Okay, na? See, for example, 200 is there. What must be multiplied to become perfect square? What must be multiplied to 200 to become a perfect square? So, if it is like this, we have to do like this. 2 1 0 0, next 2 5 0, next 2 25, next 5 5 and 5 1s. Here for this pair is there, for this pair is there. For 2 there is no pair. What must be multiplied means what? This 200 should be multiplied by 2 because for this 2, one more pair we want, one more number we want. Therefore, what must be multiplied? Yes, therefore 2 must be multiplied. That's all. Therefore, square root of 400 will become 20 because it is 2 5. 2 5 are 10 into 2. That is nothing but 2 lakhs. Okay, na? Yes. Some more number. For example, $1458. Small number 180. For example, 180. So now 2 9 0, 2 4 2 5 2 2 yes, it will not go. 3 ones, 3 ones, 3 15s, 3 5s and 5 ones. For 2 also pair is there, for 3 also pair is there, but for 5 there is no pair. Therefore 180 into what must be multiplied? 5 because only one 5 is there. Therefore it will become 900. Therefore what must be multiplied? 5 must be multiplied. Okay, na? So square root of this is nothing but how much? 30. Understood? Yes. One more question. 1000. Very simple. 2 5 0 0, 2 2 2 5 0, 2 1 2 2 2 5 again 5 5 2 5 5 5 5 5 1. If you observe here, for this one pair is there, 5 also one pair, but for 2 also pair is not there, for 5 also pair is not there. Therefore 5 would get 10. Therefore 1000 must be multiplied with 10 to become 10,000. So square root of 10,000 is how much? 100. That's all. Are you understanding? So here pair is there, here also pair is there. Individual 1 2 is there, 1 5 is there. 2 into 5 will become 10. Therefore what must be multiplied? We should multiply with the 10 to become a perfect square. Okay, now? Yes. 1008. Take 1008. Now divide. 2 5 ja 0, 2 4 ja 2 2 ja 2 5 ja 2 2 ja. Again 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 2 6 ja. Again 2 2 6 ja 2 3 ja. Again 3 3 2 ja 3 1 ja 3 7 ja. Now 7 1 ja. For this pair is there, for this pair is there, for this pair is there, but for this pair is not there. Therefore, what must be multiplied? Yes, 1008 should be multiplied with the 7 because only one 7 is there. We want one more 7. Therefore, 7 8 ja 56, 0 7 1 ja. Therefore, square root of 7056 is equals to 1 2, again 2, 1 3 and 1 7. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 7 ja 84 like this. Okay na? Therefore, what must be multiplied? 7 should be multiplied. Right? Okay. One more number. 2028. 2028. 2028 means 2 1 ja 0, 2 1s, 2 4s. Again 2, 2 5s, 0, 2 7s. Now it will become with 3, 3 2 ja 4. Sorry, 3, sorry. Yes, 3 1 ja 3, 3 6 ja and 3 9 ja. Again with the 13, 13 1 ja, 13 3 ja, 13 1 ja. That means what? For 13 pair is there, for 2 pair is there, but for 3 there is no pair. Therefore, 2028 must be multiplied with 3. That is 3 8 ja 24, 3 2 ja 6, plus 2 8, 0 3 2 ja 6. Okay na? Please take down. Yes. One more problem. 1458. 1458. Again 2 7 ja 2 2 ja 2 9 ja with 9 3 3 2 ja 3 4 ja 3 3 ja. Again with 7 not sorry 3 only 3 8 ja 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 3 7 ja 3 9s 3 3s 3 1s. Here pair is there, here pair is there, here pair is there, but for this there is no pair at all. Therefore, should be multiplied. That is 1458 must be multiplied with 2, so that 2 8 ja 16, 2 5 ja 10, 11, 2 4 ja 8 plus 1 9, 2 1 ja 2 lines. Okay? Therefore, this square root of this is 2916. Square root is nothing but here 1 2, 1 3, again 1 3, again 1 3. Okay? Na? It is nothing but 54. Yes. Okay? So like this we have to find out what must be multiplied means we have to check the pairs. If pair is not there, that number must be multiplied. Okay? Some more problems we do so that we will be perfect. So same finding square roots only. Only thing is which number doesn't have the pair, that number we have to multiply. Okay na? That much only. Nothing extra. Okay? Right. Now we'll see. Yes. One more, 768. 768. 2, 2 3 ja, 2 8 ja, 2 4 ja. Again 2, 2 1 ja, 2 9 ja, 2 2 ja. 2 9 ja, 2 6 ja. 2 4 ja, 2 8 ja. 2 2 ja, 2 4 ja. 2 1 ja, 2 12 ja. 2 6 ja. 2 3 ja. 3 1 ja. So for this pair is there, for this pair is there, for this pair is there, for this pair is there. For this there is no pair. That means what? 768 doesn't have a pair. Therefore we should multiply with the 3 to become 3 8 ja 24, 3 6 ja 18 plus 2 20, 3 7 ja 21, 22. Therefore square root of 220 is how much? 1 2, second 2, third 2, fourth 2 and 3. It is nothing but, yes, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to 16, 16 3 ja 48. Okay na? Like this we have to find out. Take one more last number. Yes, 800. Very simple. Now start with 2. 2 4 ja 0 0. 2 2 ja 0 0. 2 1s 0 0. 2 5s 0. 2 2 ja 2 5 ja 5 5 ja and 5 1s. If you observe, you see, for 2 pair is there, for 2 pair is there, for 5 pair is there. So only 2 is not having any pair. Therefore 800 should be multiplied so that what is the product? 1600. Square root of 16 is nothing but 1 2, second 2, third 2 and 5. Therefore 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 5 ja 4. Okay na? So this is what must be multiplied. Now one more aspect, one more subtopic, that is what must be divided. So multiplied means it is shortage. Divided means it is excess. Excess means you have to divide. Understood? Yes. Actually, only names are different, but procedure will be same only. For example, $252. If you take 252, you see now 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 2 6 ja 2 6 ja 2 3 ja 3 2 ja 3 1 ja 3 7 ja 7 1 ja. If you observe, for 2 is also pair, for 3 is also pair, but who is excess here? 7, that much only. Therefore 252 must be divided with 7. Which number doesn't have pair, that number we have to divide. Okay na? Now very simple. 7 1s, 7 3s 21, 42, 7 6. Therefore 36, square root of 36 is how much? Here 1 2 into 1 3. It is nothing but equal to 6 like this. Okay na? Therefore 7 should be yes. So therefore 252 should be divided by 7. Okay na? Yes. Next number. 180. 180. We see now 180. 2 9 ja 0. 2 4 ja 2 5 ja 3. 3 1 ja 3 15 ja 3 5 ja 5 1 ja. For yes, yes. For 2 pair is there. For 3 pair is there. But for 5 pair is not there. That means what? 180 should be divided with 5. Therefore 5 3 are 15, 6 are same. Therefore square root of 36 is equal to 2 into 3. It is nothing but 6. Yes, 2925. Very simple. 2925. Now see, 2 plus 9, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. Therefore it can divide with 3. 3 9 ja 27. 3 7 ja 3 5. Again 9 plus 12, that is 21. Again with 3. 3 3 ja 3 2 ja 3 5. Again we will not go with 3, therefore we will go with 5. 5 6 ja 5 5. 5 1 ja 5 3 ja. Again 13 1 ja. If you observe here, for 3 is in pair, 5 is also in pair. But which number doesn't have pair? Yes, 13 doesn't have pair. Therefore 2 9 2 5 should be divided with 13. 13 1 ja 13 2 ja 26. 32. Again 13 2 ja 65. 13 5. Therefore 2 2 5. Square root of 2 to 5 is what? Here 3, here 5. Therefore 15. Okay na? Are you understanding? So what must be divided means a number should be excess. Then that number should be divided with the same number. Okay na? Right? Yes. So excess means whichever number is excess, that number should be divided. Yes. 396. So very simple. 396. Start with 2. 2 1 ja 2. 2 9 ja 2 8 ja. Again with 2. 2 9 ja 2 9 ja. Again with 3. 3 3 ja 3 3 ja. Again with 3. 3 1 ja 3 1 ja. Now 11 ones. Therefore 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 11. For 2 pair is there, for 3 pair is there. But who is excess? 11 is excess. 11 is excess means 396 should be divided with 11. Therefore 11 3 ja 11 6 ja. Therefore square root of 36 is how much? 2 into 3 equal to 6. So like this we have to do. Okay na? Yes. I told you divided means what? It is excess. A number will be excess. Multiplied means it is nothing but shortage. A number is shortage means we have to multiply with the same number. If it is excess, we have to divide the given number with the whatever excess number is there, that number we have to divide. Okay na? Yes. 2645. 2645. So very simple. 2 plus 6, 8 plus 12, 5, 5 5 are 25, 14, 5 2 ja and 5 9. Any number is there? 529? Yes, tell me. Yes. If you observe 529, we have prime numbers. If you observe the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. Here last number is 9 means there is chance of 3 or 7 or 17 or 23 or 30. But 3 it will not divide, 7 49 it will not divide. 13 169 will not divide. 17 will not divide, but it will divide with the 23 directly. Therefore 23 if you write 23 2 ja 46, remaining 69. So 23 3 ja. Again 23 ones. Therefore 20 what are the factors? 5 into 23 into 23. This 23 has pair, but this 5 doesn't have any pair. Therefore given number 2645 should be divided with 5 to become 529. Square root of 529 is nothing but 23. Understood? Yes. So that's not only prime numbers are very important. Please remember the prime numbers. Okay na? Yes. $2,800. One more number. 2,800. Any number you can take. It is not that these numbers only possible. Any number you can take and you can do. Okay? Yes. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, 0 0. 2 7 ja, 0 0. Again 2 3 ja, 6 5 10 0. Again 2 2 1 ja, 2 7 ja, 2 5. Now 1 plus 8 1 plus 7 8 8 plus 5. It will not go with 3. Therefore 5 3 ja 15. 5 5. Again 5 7 ja, 5 1 ja. Now with 5 has pair, 2 has pair, 2 has pair. But which number doesn't have pair? 7. Therefore, given number should divide with the same number. That is excess number. Now 7 ones, 7 fours, 0 0. So it is nothing but equal to 400. Square root of 400 is 20 only. Okay na? So like this, we have to solve what must be multiplied to get a perfect square, right? Okay. So today we have seen what must be multiplied and what must be divided, right? Yes. One or two problems are there, still we will do them. There is no problem. Yes. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each number 4, 9, 10. 4, 9, 10. First take the LCM of 4, 9, 10. 4, 9, 10. LCM 2 2 ja 4, 9 as it is, 2 5. Again 2, 1, 9 as it is, 5 as it is. With 3, 1 as it is, 3 3 ja 5 as it is. Again 3, 1 as it is, 1 and 5. And again 5, 1, 1. Therefore, you can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. What is the total? 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60, 60 into 3 is 180. If you observe here, to become perfect square. Now, for this pair is there, for this pair is there, but for this pair is not there. Therefore, what must be multiplied? Yes, we should multiply by 5. It will become 900. Then square root of 900 is 2 into 3 into 5. That is nothing but 30. Therefore, what must be multiplied? 5 must be multiplied. Okay na? Yes. One more number. 8, 15, 20. Same. 8, 15 and 20. Now take LCM. 2 4 ja 15 as it is, 2 10 ja. 2 2 ja 15 as it is, 2 5 ja. 2 1s 15 as it is, 5. with 3, 1 as it is, 3 5 are 5 as it is. Again with 5, 1, 1, 1. Okay? Now see, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. For this pair is there, for this no pair, for this no pair, for this no pair. Now multiply. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 8 by the 40, 120 into 1 2, 1 3, 1 5. 5 3 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30. So 30 into 120, 3600. It is nothing but 16. Understood? So what which small number? 2, 3, 5 are the small number, right? To become perfect square. Okay, na? Right. I think so. You are understanding now? Yes? Yeah. Now, actually, I should tell before only, but I forgotten. Now I will tell. Finding the square root by repeated subtraction. Very, very simple. Okay? It is easy also, but you should know that repeated subtraction. Why repeated subtraction means when you are adding all odd numbers, you will get the perfect square. So like that only we should subtract only odd numbers. For example, small number we see 144. We know that odd numbers like this 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 are like this. These are all not prime numbers. These are all only odd numbers. First, 144 minus 1. How much? 143. Again, 143 minus 1 gone. What is 3? 140. Again, 140 minus 5. 135. 135 minus 7. 128. So 128 minus 9. 119. 119 minus 11. How much? 108. So 108 minus 13. 13 means 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. 11 minus, sorry. Yes, 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay, na? Yes. Not like this. Yes. It is 10. 95. Now again, 95 minus 15, it is 80. Again, 80 minus 17, 63. 63 minus 19. 13 minus 9 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. Again 44 minus 21, it is 23. Therefore 23 minus 23 equal to 0. Now we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Therefore square root of 144 is nothing but 12. Okay, na? You can find out how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, therefore, square 144 is nothing but what? Sum of 12 odd numbers. So, reverse process, square root is nothing but 12 only. Understood? Yes. Shall we do one more problem? Yes. No problem. Small problem we will do one more. 256. Now very simple. Same. 256 minus 1, 255. 255 minus 3, 252. 252 minus 5, 247. 247 minus 7, it is nothing but 240. 240. Yes. Here you see 247 minus 7 is 240. 240 minus 9, it is 231. 231 minus 11, it is 220. 220 minus 13. Okay? 220 minus 13, it is nothing but 207. 207 minus 15. 7 minus 5 is 2. 10 minus 1 is 9. 192. So 192 minus 17. 12 minus 7 is 5. 8 minus 1 is 6. Like this. Okay na? Now again 165 minus 19 is equals to 15 minus 9 is 6. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay na? Yes, 146. 146 minus 21, it is 5. 125. 125 minus 23, so 102. Okay na? 102 minus 25. 102 minus 25 is, yes, 12 minus 5 is 7. 77. 77 minus 27. How much it is? 27. If 12 minus 5 is 7. Here you can see. Yes. 12 minus 5 is 7. 10 here. 9 minus 2 is 7. 77 minus 27 is nothing but, yes, 50. 50 minus 29, it is 31, and 31 minus 31 equal to 0. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Therefore, square root of 256, what is that? 16. Like this. Okay? Yes. Yes. Now, square root by finding the square root by division method. So, very important, division method. How to find out by division method? Okay na? Very simple. First, I will take 256. A small number I will take, then we can do this. Before writing, we should know like this. 1 square, 1, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, 4 square, 16, 5 square, 25, 6 square, 36, 7 square, 49, 8 square, 64, 9 square, 81. After writing from right side, we have to do pair. Pair means what? Two numbers. For this, there is no pair, we have to write like this. Now, draw lines. The rule is, whatever you are writing the number here, same number should write here. Therefore, we should see 2. Where 2 is lying between these two? It lies between 1 and 4. 1, 4 we are not supposed to take. Therefore, 1 we have to take. So 1 means what? 1 into 1. 1 into 1. That is 1. Okay na? Minus 2 minus 1 is 1. Here, in squares and square roots, whenever you are taking number means the pair will come outside. A single number will not come. Okay na? Now whatever number is there, that number you bring this. 1 plus 1 how much? Here 2. Here see last number is 6. Last number is 6 means either it is 4 square or it is 6 square. Okay na? We'll see with 4. We'll multiply with 4. 4 and 4. 4 4 is 16. 1. 4 to say 8 plus 1 96. But it is not correct. Okay na? Therefore, which is correct answer? 4 is not correct. Answer will be what? 6. Okay na? We'll see now. Here 6 means here also 6 only. 6 6 ja 36, 3, 6 2 ja 8, 6 2 ja 12, 12 plus 3, 15 over. Therefore, square root of 256 is equals to how much? 16. I think so it is very easy. Right up? Next problem. 361. Again, 2 numbers and 3. Now see 3 lies between 1 and 4. We should take the smaller number. We are not supposed to take the higher number. Therefore, which is number 1? Therefore, 1 into 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Next number 61. This 1 we have to bring here. 1 plus 1, addition 2. Now last number is 1 means there is a chance of 1 or 9. Correct? 1 into 1 is also 1 and 9 into 9 is also. In the digit we have to see. We are not supposed to see anything. We have to see only unit digit. 1 is there. Therefore 1 is not possible. Therefore what is possible? 9. And here also 9. 9 9 ja 81. 9 2 ja 18. 18 plus 18 is 26 over. Therefore, square root of 361 is equals to how much? 19. Okay na? Very simple na? Yes. We can do bigger numbers within a short period of time. Okay? Compared to prime factorization, this division method is very simple. Right? No problem. Yes. We'll do problem, then you will understand. Yes. 2304. 2304. So first, what is the method? From right side we have 2 pairs. One pair, second pair. Now we have to see 23. Where 23 lies here? It lies between 16 and 25, sorry. So we should take the smaller number. We are not supposed to take the bigger number. Therefore 16. 16 means how 16 will come? 4 into 4. It is nothing but 16. Okay na? Now subtract. 23 minus 16 is 70. Now take the full number 4. Bring this number here. 4 plus 4, 8. Okay na? Right. This is, you should write like this. Now 4 is there. 4 is means there are chances of 2 square or 8 square. So first we will see 4 only. 2. Therefore here 2 means here also 2. 2 2 is 4. 2 8 is 16. Will it go? No. That means what? Our assumption is wrong. Therefore 2 is not correct means what will next number? 8. Here also 8. 8 into 8, 64. 6. Again 8 8 is 64. 64 plus 6, 70 over. Therefore, yes, square root of 2304 is nothing but 48. Okay na? Yes. Next number 4,489. Again from right side 1 and 2. Now you can do it like this. Okay na? Now 44 is there. You see where 44 lies between 36 and 49. 36 and 49. Therefore you should take 36 means 6. Here 6. 6 into 6 is 36. Now 14 minus 6, it is nothing but 8. Here 0, number is 89. Now bring this 6 here, 6 plus 6, 12. Now very simple, 9 is there. 9 is there means either it is 3 square or it is 7 square. Shall we see? Yes. First one we will see with 3. Here also 3. 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3. Is it correct? It is correct only, but this is less. Therefore, with 3 not possible. Therefore, which is next? 7. Therefore, take 7. Here also 7. 7 7 ja 49. 7 2 ja 14. 14 plus 4 18. 1. 7 into 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Over. Yes. Therefore, square root of 4489 is 67. Okay na? Yes. Very simple, no? Yes. Again. So 4 to 5 problems if you do, then you will understand very simple. 5776. 5776. 5776. From right side, yes, one pair and second pair. Now you see 57. Where 57 lies? Between 49 and 64. Therefore, we should take 49. 49, how it will come? 7 square. 7 square means here also 7, here also 7. Therefore, 7 into 7 is 49 minus 57, 17 minus 9 is 8. What is the number? 76. This 7 we have to bring here. 7 plus 7, 14. Last number 6 is there, means I told before only. It is either 4 square or 6 square. So we will take first 4 square only. Okay na? Yes. Here also 4. Here also 4. 4 4 is 16. 4 4 is 16 plus 1, 17 1. 4 1 is 4 plus 1, 5. Correct? Answer is correct, but this is not suitable for this. Therefore, 4 is not correct. Therefore, which is the correct answer? 6 is the correct answer. Now take 6 is 36. 6 4 is 24. 24 plus 3, 27, 2. 6 1 is 6 plus 2, 8. Like this. Okay na? Therefore, square root of 5776 equal to 76. So this is the symbol. You should write the symbol. Very simple. Okay na? Yeah. One more number. So very simple. Again like this, again like this. Now you see where 79 lies between 64 and 81. Therefore we should take 64 or 81. We should take 64. 64 means here 8, here 8. 8 8 is 64. 5 and 1. Next number 2 1. 8 plus 8, 16. Now last number is 1 means either it is 1 or it is 9. So we will take 1 only. But you see 161 into 1 is 161, therefore it is not correct. Therefore we have to go for 9. Here also 9. 9 into 9, yes, 81. 9 6 is 54, 62. 9 1 is 9, 9 plus 6 is nothing but 15. 0 0 0 0. Therefore, square root of 7921 is equals to 89. Okay na? Yes. Now I hope you understood. These are all division method. Finding the square root by division method. Okay? Now we'll do one more concept. What must be added and what must be subtracted to become a perfect square. Okay? Yes. What must be added and what must be subtracted. Yes. First we will see what must be subtracted. What must be subtracted. Okay na? So how to subtract? If you subtract the number, that number should be perfect square. Okay na? Okay, small problem we see. For example, 300. 300, don't want. Yes, 228. Now, what must be subtracted, what must be added means we should do only division method. What must be multiplied and what must be divided means we should do prime factorization method. Okay na? Now 2 is there. 2 lies between 1 and 4. Therefore, we should take only 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 1, 2, 8. So here it is minus 1 plus 1 is 2. Now with the 2, 16, how many times will go? 6 times. Here also 6, here also 6. It is nothing but 6 6 ja 36, 6 2 ja 12 will not go. Therefore should go with 5. 5 here also 5, here also 5. 5 5 ja 25. 5 2 is 10 plus 2, 12. What must be subtracted? What is excess here? 3 is excess. Therefore, what must be subtracted? If you subtract it, it will become 225. Square root of 225 is 15. Okay na? So, what must be subtracted? 3 must. Whatever is remaining here, that number must be subtracted. One number we see 1989. 1989. Yes. So 19 means where it lies between 4 square and 5 square. Therefore we will take 4 and 4. 4 into 4, 16, 3, 8, 9. 4 plus 4, it is nothing but 8. 8, 38. How many times will go? Yes, ordinary division. Tell me. 8 4 ja. Sorry, 8 5 ja. 8 4 ja. Okay, we will take 4. Here also we will take 4. 4 4 ja. 16 1. 4 8 ja. 32 plus 1. 33. So 9 minus 6 is 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. Therefore, what must be subtracted? 44 must be subtracted. So 19, 89 minus 53. So 6, 3, 19, 1. Therefore the number is what? 1936. Okay na? 1936 square root is nothing but 44. So this is what must be subtracted. Okay, right? And next one is what must be added. Here we have seen what must be subtracted, but next number we'll see. Next concept is what must be added. What must be added means we have to go for next number. Like 1750. So again same, yeah. 17 means it lies between 4 square and 5 square. Therefore we should take 4 square. 4 and 4. 4 into 4 is 16. 1. 5, 0. 4 plus 4, 8. Now here 8 is there. How many times will go? One time. 81. Therefore, how much it will become? 0 means 10 means 9. 14 means 69. Therefore, how much we have to subtract? Yes, we have to subtract 69. 42 square we see. 42 square. 2 to the 4. 2 4 is 8, 16, 1, 4 4 16 plus 17. Okay, right. Therefore, how much must be subtracted? Yes. Therefore, 11750 minus 69. So, 10 minus 9 is 1, 14 minus 6 is 8, 1681. Therefore, what is the number? 1681. Its square root is 41. Okay? Yes. This is what must be subtracted. If you want what must be added, this is subtracted. Now we see what should be added. What should be added means we should go for the next number. 41 plus 1, that is nothing but 42. So we should find out 42 square. So 42 square we can write as 42 into 2, 2 2 is 4, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 1, 4 4, 16, 17, 64. So 42 square is 1764. Therefore 1764 we should minus 1750, 14. Therefore what must be added? 14 should be added. 14 should be added. 14 should be added to 1756. Sorry, it is 6 no? Yes. 6 means 16 should be added. Yes. 16 should be added to become perfect square. Okay na? One more problem we'll see and show what must be added. Right? Then you will understand. Yes. 6412. 6412. Yes. 64 means what? 8. 8. 8 8 just 64. 0 0. Next number is 12. 8 plus 8 16. With 16 12 will not go, therefore here 0 means here also 0. Okay na? What must be subtracted means 12 must be subtracted. What must be added means plus 1 is nothing but 81. So this number should be 81 square. It is not 80 square. It should be 81 square. 81 square how much it is? 81 square is equals to 81 into 81. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 8 is 8. 8 into 1 is 8. 8 plus 8 16. 1. 8 is 64 plus 1 65. Therefore 81 square is 6561. It should be like this: 6412. So 11 minus 2 is 9. 5 minus 1 is 4. 1. Therefore 149 should be added to get perfect square. Okay na? Please take out. Yes. Okay na? Yes. Now like these problems are there, very simple, and last aspect is how to find out the square root of decimal numbers. So decimal numbers we can find out very easy. For example, 51.84. First you see same pair and pair. Yes. Now what is the first number? 51. Now see 51 where it lies? Between 7 square and 8 square. Therefore we should take 7. Here 7. 7 into 7, 49. Here 2. This 7 you should bring here. 7 plus 7, 14. Point K means you should put the point here. Now take the number 8, 4. Last number is 4 means either it is 2 square or 8 square. First one you take 2 only. Here also 2. Here also 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 4 ja 8. 2 1 ja 2. That's all. Therefore, what happened? Square root of 51.84 is equals to 7.2. Okay na? Yes. One more number. 42.25. 42.25. Again from right side. Yes. Yes. 42 lies between 36 and 49. Therefore, 6 into 6 is 36. 6 plus 6 is 12. Now point A, you put the point here. Take the number 25. Last number is 5 means 100% it is 5 only. So it is nothing but 625. Okay na? Therefore, what is the answer? Square root of 42.25 equal to 6.5. Please take down. Yes. How many plants left? How many plants should be required? Means it is nothing but division method only. Okay na? Yeah. One more number we do and we will stop it here only. 1825. Yes. Not 1825. Sorry. 31.36. 31.36. Now see, same. Yes, yes. See 31 where it lies? Between 25 and yes, 5 square and 6 square. We should take smaller one. Therefore it is 5. Here also 5. 5 into 5 is 25. 6. 5 plus 5, 10. Point came to point. There is nothing but 3, 6. 3, 6 means yes. Here 6 is there, here 1 is there. Therefore 100% it is 6 only. It is nothing but 636. Or therefore square root of 31.36 equal to 5.6. Okay na? Yes. So like this we have to solve the problems. So we have seen finding the Pythagorean triplets. Next, how to find out the squares? Square root by repeated subtraction, square root by prime factorization method, what must be added, what must be multiplied, what must be divided, finding the square root by division method, and what must be added and what must be subtracted. So, we learned so many things from this chapter. Please practice again and again. If you have any doubts, you can ask me, call me, or you can put the problem in the WhatsApp so that you can get the solution. Okay na? Have a nice day. God bless you.